They are incredibly strong and lightweight, with a tensile strength that is 100 times greater than steel and a density that is lower than that of aluminum. Carbon nanotubes have a wide range of potential applications, from aerospace and automotive to energy storage and biomedical engineering. For example, carbon nanotubes can be used to create lightweight and strong materials for use in aircraft and automobiles. However, there are also challenges associated with the development of nanomaterials. One of the major challenges is the need for safe and sustainable manufacturing processes for these materials. Many nanomaterials are currently produced using toxic chemicals, which can have negative environmental and health impacts. Another challenge is the need for standardized testing and regulation of nanomaterials. Because nanomaterials have unique properties that are different from those of bulk materials, they require specialized testing and regulation to ensure their safety and effectiveness. Another approach to developing super lightweight materials is the use of biomimicry. Biomimicry involves studying the structures and properties of natural materials and using this knowledge to create new materials with similar properties. One example of a biomimetic material is spider silk. Spider silk is incredibly strong and lightweight, with a tensile strength that is comparable to that of steel, yet weighs much less. Scientists have been studying the structure and properties of spider silk in order to create new materials with similar properties, such as synthetic spider silk. Another example of a biomimetic material is nacre, which is also known as mother of pearl. Nacre is a composite material that is made up of layers of calcium carbonate and organic material. It is incredibly strong and lightweight, with a toughness that is greater than that of most man-made materials. Scientists have been studying the structure and properties of nacre in order to create new composite materials with similar properties. Biomimetic materials have a wide range of potential applications, from aerospace and automotive to construction and consumer goods. For example, biomimetic materials can be used to create lightweight and strong materials for use in aircraft and automobiles, or for building materials that are both durable and sustainable. However, there are also challenges associated with the development of biomimetic materials. One of the major challenges is the need for a deep understanding of the structure and properties of natural materials. This requires interdisciplinary research that combines biology, materials science, and engineering. Another challenge is the need for cost-effective manufacturing processes for these materials. Many biomimetic materials are currently expensive to produce, making them difficult to scale up for widespread use. Another approach to developing super lightweight materials is the use of additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. Additive manufacturing allows for the creation of complex, customized structures with minimal material waste. One example of a super lightweight material that can be produced using additive manufacturing is lattice structures. Lattice structures are three-dimensional structures made up of interconnected struts that form a repeating pattern. These structures are incredibly lightweight, yet retain their strength and durability. Lattice structures have a wide range of potential applications, from aerospace and automotive to construction and biomedical engineering.